Yes, children. Be attentive. Group South. Better. South. Vishnu. So we have today's guest here. So be disciplined, okay? So within a short while, one more guest will be coming. So we will be starting our inaugural. So by the time, maintain. Okay. Yes, children. सब एक साथ खड़ा हो जाएंगे. खड़ा. Yes. Good. South. Vishnu. South. टाइम मुड़ेंगे. 3 cheer clap. Ready, go. Keep on clapping. Still you reach the back. Teams, दाएं बाएं, फुट.
केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन के सौजन्य से 52 क्षेत्रीय खेल कूद समारोह के तहत केवी नंबर 1 उपल द्वारा कबड्डी खेल का आयोजन किया जा रहा है, जिसमें 22 टीम ने भाग लिया. 400 बच्चों ने इसमें ये सम्मिलित हैं और 35 एस्कॉर्ट्स भी आए हुए हैं उनके साथ. तो आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है. हमारे मुख्य अतिथि और मनोनीत सदस्य भी पधार चुके हैं और आप सबका केंद्रीय विद्यालय नंबर 1 उपल के तहत जो कबड्डी खेलकूद का आयोजन किया जा रहा है, उस सब में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है.
Good morning, everybody. We at KV1 Uppal welcome each one of you for the 52nd Regional Kabaddi Meet for under 17 and under 14 students. We are very delighted to have amongst us our chief guest for the day, Mr. Jagdishwar Yadav. He is the Secretary of Telangana Kabaddi Association and our beloved nominee chairman, Mr. G. Varun Kumar. Welcome to the venue, sir. We are extremely happy to receive you here this morning.
ग्रुप एक साथ बैठ जाएंगे. बैठे साउथ.
खेल की निष्ठा, ईमानदारी, परिश्रम और आत्मविश्वास ही किसी खिलाड़ी को एक महान और प्रतिभाशाली खिलाड़ी बनाता है. हम इस कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ करेंगे और जैसा कि हमारी संस्कृति में है कि किसी भी शुभ कार्य हेतु हम ईश्वर की आराधना करते हैं और ये आराधना इसलिए करते हैं कि हमारा कार्यक्रम सफल हो. और इसी परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय नंबर 1 की आर माधुरी मैडम से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वो पहले भगवान की आराधना करें और उससे इस कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ करें. आर माधुरी मैडम.
Good morning, all. Mahaganapatim manasa smaraami, Mahaganapatim manasa smaraami, Mahaganapatim manasa smaraami, Vasishta Vamadevadi Sannuta Mahaganapatim, Mahadevasutam Guru Guhanutam Marakoti Prakasam Santam Mahakavya Natakadipriyam, Mahakavya Natakadipriyam,
प्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं पापमगमरि सरि सनि स पामगम पादनि सरि गम मरि सरि सनि पम सनि पम गम नि पमरि गमरि स रि स नि पमरि स सरि गम महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिसन्नुत महागणपतिं। थैंक यू।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद माधुरी मैडम। वातावरण गणेश स्तुति से अत्यंत पावन हो गया है और इस पावन वातावरण को हम आगे बढ़ाते हैं।
Well begin is half done. I take this opportunity to start the proceeding formally. I request my Vice Principal Madam, Mrs. N. Rajeshwari, to welcome the Chief Guest for the day and guest of honor and other dignitaries.
Very good morning to all of you. I am highly elated to extend a very hearty welcome to our chief guest of this 52nd KVS Regional Sports Meet for Kabaddi under 14 and under 17 boys category. Shri K. Jagadishwar Rao, already enough introduction has been given about sir. We are blessed to have him here amongst us as a guiding force, as an inspiration to all these budding Kabaddi players. Sir is Secretary of Telangana Kabaddi Association, Telangana Olympic Association, International Technical Director of Kabaddi Federation, ex-General Secretary of AKFI, and himself a renowned Kabaddi player. Give him a very big hand. We welcome you, sir, on behalf of KVS Hyderabad region and Kendra Vidyalaya number 1 Uppal. Our highly revered guest of honor, Shri G. Varun Kumar, Deputy Surveyor General, Survey of India, and Nominee Chairman, Kendra Vidyalaya number 1 Uppal. We welcome you, sir, on behalf of KVS Hyderabad region and Kendra Vidyalaya number 1 Uppal. Our special guest, official for this tournament, deputed by KVS Hyderabad region, Shri Mallaya, TGT Physical and Health Education, KV Tirupati. We extend a hearty welcome to you, sir, on behalf of KVS Hyderabad region and KV1 Uppal. I also take this opportunity to welcome all the officials of Telangana Kabaddi Association who accepted our invitation, who were with us late night yesterday, fixing the matches and arranging for today's tournament without any hindrances. So on behalf of KVS Hyderabad region, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all the officials of Kabaddi Association for joining us and making it a grand event. I also welcome all the escort teachers and the participants from various KVs of Hyderabad region from Telangana and AP. A brief report, we have 13 schools participating in under 14 category, 22 schools participating in under 17 category, a total of 146 students in under 14 and 256 students in under 17, along with 35 escorts. They all reported the venue last evening and today they are ready for all the matches. And I hope students, all of you remember that participation is very important. So you all are representing your schools and I believe you all will give your 100%. Winning and losing is secondary. You are already the best among your schools, that's why you are here. So participate with full sportsmanship spirit and go back happily, taking all that what you deserve, whether as a trophy, as a medal, or as a learning experience. This will definitely help you in future. So wishing you all very best, and thanking the entire team of KV1 Uppal also. I welcome once again all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. May I request our chief guest for the day, Shri K. Jagdishwar Yadav, Honorary Secretary, Telangana Kabaddi Association, to declare the 52nd KVS Kabaddi Regional Sports Meet open.
ग्रुप सब एक साथ खड़ा हो जाएंगे, खड़ा हो जाए.
I declare the KVS Regional Sports Meet, Kabaddi Boys Under 49, Under 17, 2023 open.
ग्रुप सावधान. कैप्टन्स एक कदम आगे चल.
May I request Master Shivamani,
Position.
KV1 Uppal, to administer the oath.
शपथ ग्रहण के लिए तैयार हो जाइए.
Players, सावधान. विश्राम. सावधान. Pledge position. We swear that we will take part in 52nd KVS Regionals Under 14 and Under 17 Boys Kabaddi Sports Meet 2023. Respecting the rules and regulations with them and with the desire to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our KVS and for the glory of sports. Jai Hind!
कैप्टन्स पीछे मुड़. राइट, विश्राम. सब एक साथ बैठ जाएंगे, बैठ जाओ.
शक्ति ही प्रदान नहीं करता, बल्कि मानसिक शक्ति भी प्रदान करता है. जो शरीर स्वस्थ होता है, मानसिक रूप से वो भी स्वस्थ होते हैं. तो खेलकूद हमारे जीवन के लिए कितना महत्व है, और इसी उत्साहवर्धन शब्दों को लेकर हमारे मनोनीत अध्यक्ष महोदय श्री सी वरुण कुमार आप सब बच्चों को संबोधित करते हुए उत्साहवर्धक आपके खेलकूद के बारे में बताएंगे और किस तरह से आप प्रेरित हो ये देखेंगे. ठीक है, तो मैं हमारे मनोनीत अध्यक्ष महोदय श्री वरुण कुमार जी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वो हमारे बच्चों को संबोधित करें और 2 शब्द कहें.
Respected Chief Guest and good morning all the students here. Yep. You're all filled with josh, energy, and all. You are representing your school, and I'm very happy to see you all here, and especially in a sport, our national sport, that is Kabaddi. And I wish you all the best. Don't think of the result. Just put your 100% always, be it in studies or in sport, wherever, whatever you are doing. Success will be yours ultimately. Okay. With this, I'll encourage you to give your best, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
धन्यवाद सर. आपके उत्साहवर्धक शब्दों को सुनकर बच्चे अवश्य जोश और उमंग के साथ इस खेल में खेलेंगे. और हार जीत तो लगा ही रहता है, जैसे सुख दुख है, हार जीत है, और खिलाड़ी हार से घबराते नहीं हैं, बल्कि हार से सीखते हैं कि आगे हमें बढ़ना है. और सर ने बहुत अच्छे से आप लोग को उत्साह दिया है, तो उनके लिए बहुत जोरदार ताली.
Thank you, sir. They say the more you sweat in practice, less you bleed on the battlefield. So practice makes a man perfect. And you being participants for Kabaddi, I think might have been practicing for quite some time to show your skills today. May I take this opportunity to invite our chief guest for the day, Mr. K. Jagdishwar Yadav, to address the gathering.
Honorable Chairman of this Management Committee of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, that is Sri Varun Kumar ji, and the observer of this event deputed by the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, that is Sri Mallaya Garu, the Vice Principal of the Kendriya Vidyalaya number Rajeshwari Madam, and Karnakar Reddy Garu, the Physical Director of this institution, and Headmistress of Santoshi Madam of this Kendriya Vidyalaya, Uppal, and all the escorts, those who have come from all the way of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and the coaches, managers, players, and my officials from Telangana Kabaddi Association. మీ అందరికీ నా నమస్సుమాంజలు తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాను. మరి you all know that this is the 52nd Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Regional Kabaddi Meet for Hyderabad, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and this is called the Hyderabad Regional Kabaddi Meet. I am very delighted to see the participants. Really, I am very much thrilled to see you all here because you are all so energetic and enthusiastic to participate in this event of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Regional Kabaddi Meet. And you all know, now Kabaddi has got more popularity not only in India, it is throughout the world. Now you all know that after the introduction of the Pro Kabaddi in India, the Pro Kabaddi has been started in the year 2014 by the Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India. After the introduction of the Pro Kabaddi in India, now it has become more popular than cricket and all other games in our country as well as in the world. Now, the game of Kabaddi is not limited to our villages now. Once upon a time it is called traditional game of India, which was played in the villages and semi-urban areas and rural areas only. But now it has been crossed the bounds of our villages, our state, country, and all these 7 oceans, and now it is played in the 40 countries of the world. This is the most popular game in the world now. And so far, for the information of the players, let me give you the details that so far 7 Asian Games have been conducted since year 1990 when the Kabaddi has been introduced in the Asian Games in the Beijing, China. That India is winning continuously last 7 Asian Games since last 28 years. India is the champions of the game of Kabaddi. And so far 3 World Cups have been conducted for the men and 2 World Cups have been organized for the women, and the India are the champions of both in men and women sections, and they have brought laurels to our country, and our tricolor has been flown like anything in the arena of sports of the world. So friends, the day is not far off. You can see the game of Kabaddi in the Olympics, and the federation of this Kabaddi is doing a lot to see that our players to play the game of Kabaddi in the Olympics. So my humble request to you all is that this is the game which is having more popularity in our country now. You can see after the introduction of the Pro Kabaddi, our players are became millionaires in playing the game of Kabaddi. You know that the maximum amount that a player is getting 2.5 crores for playing the game of Kabaddi, 20 matches in the Pro Kabaddi. That is the highest rate that we are getting. So you all know that whatever that parents are thinking, whatever that parents are wishing, that my student also should play, my son is also should play the Kabaddi in Pro Kabaddi. I hope that I will see one amongst you, and I want to see you people in the Pro Kabaddi. In any of the team, that are the 12 teams are participating in the Pro Kabaddi. I hope that I will find you in the Pro Kabaddi. Then I will be happiest man in this state, because I am belong to Telangana Kabaddi Association. So meeku andariki telusu, now the madam also told that even though you lose or win, but you should take it more sportively. మీరు చూసుంటారు కబడ్డీలో దట్ ప్లేయర్స్ ఆఫ్టర్ లూజింగ్ ద గేమ్ ఆర్ విన్నింగ్ ద గేమ్, ఆఫ్టర్ ఫినిషింగ్ ద గేమ్, ఎవ్రీబడి విల్ షేక్ హ్యాండ్ అండ్ దే విల్ మీట్ టుగెదర్. దట్ ఈస్ ద గ్రేట్నెస్ ఆఫ్ ది గేమ్ ఆఫ్ కబడ్డీ. సో ఓడినా గెలిచినా, జీతో యా हारो भाईचारा तो कायम रखो, यही तो कबड्डी का नीति है. कबड्डी यही सिखाती है. Kabaddi will teach you all these things, how to behave in women, how to have a unity amongst you, how to catch a fellow when he comes, when all the 7 together. That is how it teaches. The unity and integrity will be taught by the game of Kabaddi, which is very essential for our country now. Unity and integrity will definitely build a healthy and physically fit nation of our Indian nation. So my friends, Kabaddi will teach you how to behave, how to tackle, how to have the patience while talking to others. And this is the game which teaches you, you win or lose, but you should be very smiling to our opponents, whoever it may be. So, I can say in Hindi one kavita for this. అంటే కబడ్డీ క్రీడాకారులు ఏంటంటే ఓడినా గెలిచినా వాళ్ళ మనస్తత్వంలో ఎలాంటి మార్పు ఉండదు. ఓడినా గెలిచినా అంత పెద్ద సంతోషం ఏముండదు, ఓడినవాడు అంత విషాదం ఏముండదు అని తెలియజేయడానికి ఒకటే మీకు హిందీలో చెప్తాను. ఆ కవిత చెప్తే మీకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. मुसीबतों में भी शराफतों की शराफत में कोई कमी नहीं होती. मुसीबतों में भी शराफत में कोई कम नहीं होती. करो सोने की 100 टुकड़े, उसकी कीमत में कोई कमी नहीं होती. అంటే ఎలాగైతే బంగారాన్ని నువ్వు 100 ముక్కలు చేసినా కూడా దాని రేట్లో ఎలాంటి మార్పు ఉండదు, విలువలో ఎలా మార్పు ఉండదు, అలాగే ఓడినా గెలిచినా కూడా క్రీడాకారుని మనస్తత్వంలో కూడా ఎలాంటి మార్పు ఉండదు. వాడి యొక్క సోదర భావం వాడి యొక్క మిత్రత్వం కూడా అలానే కంటిన్యూ అయితే తెలియజేయడానికి ఇది చెప్పడం జరిగింది. బట్ ఎనీహౌ, I wish you all a success, and I wish you all, because this is the platform that has been given by the Kendriya Vidyalaya for you to perform here in the high-tech city of Hyderabad. You all know this is one of the best stadiums in our Hyderabad, and you are going to play on the synthetic mat, and it has been given to you only to perform well, exhibit your game, and see that one should be selected to the Hyderabad regional team, which is going to participate in the national championship, I think. But I wish you, the organizers, my officials of Telangana Kabaddi Association, and all the participants, a successful event here in Hyderabad for today and tomorrow. And I hope that you all will reach your homes happily after finishing this and carrying good moments from here. And मैं तो ये भी समझता हूँ कि केंद्रीय विद्यालय will provide lunch, dinner and everything, but ज़रूर आप बिरयानी खा के जाइए, because Hyderabad biryani is most famous for you all. And my request the संगठन also to provide the biryani for the students, because अरे भाई जीते ना जीते बिरयानी तो खा के जाएंगे अपन हैदराबाद का, यही तो अपनी शौक है. हाँ, तो जीते ना जीते हैदराबाद का बिरयानी का टेस्ट तो करके जाओ. आप याद रखेंगे अगले साल तक जब अपन 53 में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. सो आई वंस अगेन कॉम्प्लीमेंट यू ऑल, एंड आई कॉम्प्लीमेंट द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन फॉर हैविंग मेकिंग सच ए ब्यूटीफुल अरेंजमेंट्स टुडे here in this, and even weather is also cooperating with you, because it's one of the best weathers in Hyderabad now. So I once again compliment the management. I wish all success to the organizers as well as the participants. I wish it should be one of the memorable event in Hyderabad in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Sports Meet. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Kabaddi.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. आप तीनों भाषा में पारंगत और उत्साहवर्धक शब्दों को भी उन्होंने कितने हास्य ढंग से प्रस्तुत किया है। बहुत जोरदार ताली बजाइए यादव सर के लिए। बहुत ही सुंदर उन्होंने दिया। और इस उत्साहवर्धक शब्दों में उनका एक बहुत बढ़िया है, हार के आगे जीत है। और ये हमें मानना है कि हम अगर हारते भी हैं तो मन में ये रखना है, आने वाले समय में हम जरूर जीतेंगे। और अभी तक हमारे देश में क्रिकेट का बोलबाला रहा है और आप कबड्डी वाले अब कबड्डी को आगे करना है। ये सही सर ने सही कहा है, ये गांव का खेल है और हमारी अपनी संस्कृति, गांव के ग्रामीण संस्कृति को आगे बढ़ाना है। तो क्रिकेट का जो बोलबाला है उसे तोड़ना है और कबड्डी को आगे बढ़ाना है। और ये समय बहुत कम समय है जब हम अपने कबड्डी को भी विश्व स्तर पर जरूर ले जा सकते हैं और ले जाएंगे।
Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful speech. Each one of us have been enriched by your insights. May I take this opportunity to call our PGT Physics, Mr. Muhammad Abdul Khalil, to present a vote of thanks.
A very good morning to all of you once again. I know that you are very much eager to play, you are very much enthusiastic now. Sir has already encouraged you. And without taking much time, on behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sanghatan Hyderabad region and also on behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Uppal, I extend my gratitude, I extend my thanks to the chief guest of the day, Shri K. Jagadishwar Yadav ji, Honorary Secretary, Telangana Kabaddi Association, Shri G. Varun Kumar sir, Deputy Surveyor General, SOI Hyderabad, and also nominee chairman, VMC KV number 1 Uppal, Shri M. Mallaya sir from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Tirupati, and Shri Vijay Bhaskar Reddy sir from University of Hyderabad Kendriya Vidyalaya, and my escort teachers, my organizing committee members, my colleagues, moreover all the students for showing your patience. I extend my thanks to all of you. Last but not the least, all the officials from the Kabaddi Association of Telangana. I also thank you, sir, and we are looking forward for the great matches over here. Once again, thank you. Thank you all.
Now I am requesting Mallaya sir to continue the program.
Good morning to everybody. The permission of chief guest and madam and nominee chairman. Total under 17 category 21 teams. Nearly 256 children are participating, and under 14 category 12 teams are participating, nearly 146 children, participants, players. All the matches will be played on league cum knockout matches basis. League matches for under 17, pre-quarter-finals, quarter-finals, semi-finals, finals, and third and fourth position there will be a match. For under 14, all league basis 4 pools, and directly quarter-final they will play. The best 2 teams will qualify for the quarter-finals. Next 2 semi-finals, 1 final, 1 third and fourth position. Okay, like this. Then first match under 17 category now, after soon as the function is over, between KV Gachibowli and KV Malkapuram, court number 3. So after disposal, the escort teachers and all the players are requested to report the officials at court number 3. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. चलिए यहीं बैठ जाइए.